So I tried this earlier and it took me 26 minutes to record, and I don't want to post another video that's that long. So let's just real quick. Under 26, please. And we're gonna try to do this in 5 minutes. And I also don't know what I'm doing. So let's make the index file, then also the JS file, and then also the CSS file. And then I'll just have VS autocomplete boilerplate thing here, and I don't know what any of these things are. I also don't know what this is either. I don't know what these two things are. And then we'll link our CSS file. I don't know what that is. I don't know what async or defer means, but we'll just leave it. Alright, so let's start up the live server. And oops, my weave is showing 5500. So we have nothing right now. Let's quickly add h1 number guessing game. Can you guess what number I'm thinking of? So we've got this here, and then we'll also throw in an input and give it an ID of user so we can reference it later in the JavaScript. And then we'll also put this p here and then call it result. And this will hold the text when the user guesses it, whether they got it right or wrong. So let's quickly style this. Background color, let's choose something that's kind of nice. Beige, yeah. And then we'll also center our h1, text align center. Then we'll also put p there too. And we also need to move our input into the middle. So block. And since this is input is what's it? We have to do this instead of just text align. And I think that's about it for styling. So we can go over to our JS now. I'm a little sick, sorry, this sounds pretty gross. So let's see. We can add event listener. So window dot add event listener on key press. Yeah, here it is. Key press. We'll use sub function, anonymous function, and we'll pass in the event. So if that event equals event.key code is if they press enter, key code 13. So it equals 13. We'll check to see if the user crap. Okay. Let user guess equal user dot document dot get element by ID user dot value. Not node value, just value. And then we can console log it to see if it comes out right. So if I press enter, it's nothing, and I throw in some numbers, still nothing. Did I call it user? I did. Oh, this is node. What the? And then there we go. Perfect. Alright, so we can also convert this right into a number. Parse int, so that we can, whenever there's a letter or something that's not a number, it'll come out as not a number. Then if user guess is result document dot get element by ID result, we'll reference that result thing earlier, and then we'll have it display and let the user know that please enter a number. So now if I enter some crap, it still doesn't work. Alright, forget this. We'll figure that out later. It's been 5 minutes. Okay, let's not make this any longer. Quick. Okay, let computer number equal math.random times 20 plus 1. And then if user guess equals computer number, document.get element by ID result inner HTML equals congrats, you got it. Else, and then if they got it wrong, we'll say something else. Try again. And then I also want to see, just for debugging purposes, we also console log this to see what's going on. See what the real number is. And it's not a freaking decimal. Alright. Or it is a freaking decimal. Here we go. This will be much better. So we say 16. Congrats, you got it. Yay! And that took 6.5 minutes. Thanks for watching.